How to read someone's character through their phone usage. A phone reveals more about your true character than you realize. Every swipe, every notification response, every charging habit, and every social media behavior broadcasts psychological information that trained observers can read like an open book. Today, we're going to decode the hidden language of phone behavior and learn what different usage patterns reveal about someone's personality, priorities, and psychological makeup. This isn't about invading privacy or being judgmental. It's about understanding human psychology through one of the most intimate objects in modern life, the device that holds our attention, our relationships, and our deepest habits. The smartphone has become an extension of the human psyche. How someone interacts with their phone reveals their impulse control, their social needs, their anxiety levels, their priorities, and their relationship with instant gratification. These patterns are largely unconscious, which makes them incredibly revealing. Let me break down the key phone behaviors and what they indicate about someone's character. Notification response patterns. People who check notifications immediately as they arrive typically struggle with impulse control and have high anxiety about missing out. They often prioritize external validation over internal focus. This behavior suggests someone who may be easily distracted, reactive rather than proactive, and potentially dependent on others for emotional regulation. Conversely, people who ignore notifications for hours or keep their phones on silent demonstrate strong impulse control and internal locus of control. They prioritize their current activity over external demands, suggesting confidence, focus, and emotional independence. Those who selectively respond, ignoring some notifications while immediately answering others, reveal their true priorities and relationship hierarchies. Watch whose messages they answer instantly versus whose they leave unread for hours. Social media behavior. Constant social media checking indicates a high need for social validation and comparison. People who refresh feeds obsessively are often seeking external confirmation of their worth, or trying to avoid dealing with their internal thoughts and feelings. Those who post frequently, especially about personal activities and emotions, typically have high social needs but may struggle with genuine intimacy. They're broadcasting their lives to many rather than sharing deeply with few. People who consume social media passively without posting much often have voyeuristic tendencies or social anxiety. They want connection but fear judgment, so they observe rather than participate. Individuals who use social media minimally or take regular breaks demonstrate strong boundaries and self-awareness. They're typically more secure in their relationships and less dependent on external validation. Phone placement and accessibility. Where someone places their phone reveals their psychological relationship with connectivity and control. People who keep their phones face up on the table during conversations are often anxious about missing something or struggling to be fully present. Those who place phones face down or put them away completely show respect for the current interaction and confidence in their ability to manage without constant connectivity. People who carry their phones everywhere, including to the bathroom, often have separation anxiety and may struggle with being alone with their thoughts. Charging and battery behavior chronically low battery levels often indicate poor planning skills, procrastination tendencies, or self-sabotaging behaviors. These individuals may struggle with preparation and follow through in other areas of life. People who maintain high battery levels and charge proactively typically have good organizational skills and plan ahead. They think about consequences and prepare for future needs. Those obsessed with keeping their battery at 100% may have perfectionist tendencies or control issues. They often apply this same approach to other areas of life. App. Organization and phone cleanliness highly organized home screens with categorized folders suggest systematic thinking and desire for control. These people often apply similar organization to their physical and mental spaces. Cluttered screens with hundreds of unorganized apps may indicate overwhelm, difficulty with decision-making, or acceptance of chaos. This often reflects how they handle other areas of life. People with minimalist phone setups. Few apps, clean backgrounds, organized layout. Typically have clear priorities and strong boundaries. They're selective about what gets their attention. Response time patterns immediate responders to texts and calls often have difficulty with boundaries and may be people pleasers. They prioritize others' needs over their own activities and may struggle to say no. Delayed responders who take hours or days to reply may have avoidant tendencies, be overwhelmed with communication, or simply have strong boundaries around their time and attention. Consistent. Responders who reply within a reasonable time frame demonstrate reliability and consideration for others while maintaining their own boundaries. Phone. Usage in social settings people who constantly check phones during face-to-face interactions show lack of social awareness, possible social anxiety, or disrespect for the people present. This behavior often indicates difficulty with genuine intimacy or fear of uncomfortable silences. Those who ignore their phones completely during social interactions demonstrate strong social skills, respect for others, and confidence in their ability to be present and engaging. Individuals who use phones as social crutches, showing videos, photos, or apps to fill conversational gaps may struggle with authentic connection or have limited conversational skills. Privacy and security behaviors. People with no passcode or weak security often have poor boundaries in other areas of life. They may overshare personal information or have difficulty protecting their interests. Those with strong security measures, complex passcodes, regular updates, careful app permissions, typically have good boundaries and think about long-term consequences of their actions. Individuals who are secretive about their phone usage while having weak actual security may be hiding specific behaviors rather than protecting general privacy. Purchase and upgrade patterns. People who upgrade to the newest phone immediately often prioritize image over substance and may make impulsive financial decisions. They're typically concerned with status and external. Perceptions. Those who keep phones until they break completely may be extremely practical, but might also resist change or have difficulty investing in themselves. Individuals who upgrade thoughtfully based on actual need demonstrate good decision-making, skills, and balanced priorities. Practical applications in professional settings. Observe how colleagues handle phone notifications during meetings. Those who constantly check reveal lack of focus and possibly poor time management. Those who give full attention show professionalism and respect. In dating situations, phone behavior reveals relationship priorities. Someone who constantly checks their phone while with you is showing you're not their primary focus. Someone who gives you undivided attention values the connection. In friendships, notice whose messages get immediate responses versus delayed ones. This reveals their true relationship hierarchy and who they actually prioritize. Important considerations. Remember that phone behavior can be influenced by job requirements, family situations, or personal circumstances. A doctor on call will have different patterns than a retired person. Context matters enormously. Some behaviors may indicate anxiety, depression, or other mental health challenges rather than character flaws. Approach observations with compassion rather than judgment. Cultural differences also affect phone usage patterns. What seems rude in one culture may be normal in another. Using this knowledge ethically. The goal isn't to judge or manipulate others based on their phone usage. It's to understand people better so you can communicate more effectively. By adapting to their communication style and preferences, recognize compatibility in relationships by understanding someone's boundaries and priorities. Identify reliable people by observing their consistency and consideration in digital interactions. Protect yourself from those whose phone behavior reveals concerning traits like deception, disrespect, or poor boundaries. Developing your own awareness. Pay attention to your own phone habits. What do they reveal about your character? Are you proud of the patterns you've developed, or do they indicate areas for improvement? Consider how your phone usage affects your relationships, productivity, and mental health. Make conscious choices about when and how you engage with your device. Use your phone intentionally rather than reactively. Set boundaries that support your goals and relationships rather than undermining them. The smartphone is the most revealing psychological tool of our time. It captures our impulses, our priorities, our social needs, and our self-control in real-time data. Learning to read this information gives you unprecedented insight into human character and behavior. Master this skill, and you'll understand people at a level most never achieve. You'll recognize authenticity, identify red flags, and build stronger relationships with those whose character aligns with your values. In a world where everyone is looking at screens, be the person who's reading what those screens reveal about the souls behind them.